What do we got here? So right after work, I picked up this Dux Unlimited 105. And it's a pretty cool little mini bike. Nice clean seat. Decent little frame on it. It's got disc brakes. I put these VP racing stickers on it just to give it, you know, some of my own touch. So it's missing the kickstand spring, and I think I can get that from Harbor Freight too. I gotta tighten this up a little bit. It's missing one bolt back here. I probably just use the zip tie on that. All you have to do is probably just loosen this a little bit and then just bring it up. And I'm gonna sit on it so I get a better feel. Oh, right there is perfect. So I'll just hold it a little bit, start tightening it, and that's it. So like I said, it's got a 105cc motor on it, so it's not too bad. Let's get this thing started. We're gonna put the choke on, which is this little black lever. We're gonna bring it towards us, and then take the kill switch off. And one first pull. Ready? That's pretty good. Take it off choke. Nice. Idling nice. And the chain doesn't have too much slack. It's not too tight, but it's also not too loose. It's got enough slack in it. And this thing's ready to go. Yeah, this thing can pick up some speed. Ah, got a branch stuck. Top speed. Ooh, that was up. It felt like it was up for a little minute. I feel like I can wheelie this thing. Ouch. Oh, that's not a wheelie, that don't count. Got a little branch in there. 212 Predator motor should fit in there. I'm just not sure if I really want to do the project or not, or just try to quickly sell it, because obviously if I buy the motor and buy the clutch, that's going to be extra money I got to put into it. You know, if this video ends up doing well, I think I might just do it. I always kind of wanted a little mini bike build that was, you know, fast and could keep up and have some fun with. Yeah, this thing can pick up some speed. This only being a 105 really does surprise me. It's a cool little mini bike. I think it, you know, it does have some potential. We could do something with it. But yeah, like I said, depending on how this video goes, maybe we'll do something with it. And yeah, I'll catch y'all later. See you all in the next video. Peace out.